So the sea level started rising from the lower part of the Warcha sandstone, where you have the appearance of shale. Because when the base level starts rising, so the braided river converted into meandering river. And now you see on one side, on the right side, you have limestone. On the left side, you have the fluvial Warcha sandstone. In between, you have variegated colors. And that's how we represent the transitional marine environment, when there is a mixture of continental environment on one side, marine on other side. Sometimes the marine process dominates, sometimes the continental processes dominate, and we have discussed that change in color, change in environment causes change in color. Since there are frequent changes in environments in a transitional marine setting, that's why you have this variegated lithology. So that's the actual sea level rise.
Yes.
In the fluvial, it was indirectly recorded, but that's the first appearance of transitional marine environment on continental setting. So you can mark the transgressive surface, exact transgressive surface at the boundary between Warcha and Sardai formation. And then you have the limestone. We have discussed that for the limestone you need alkaline ocean, high biological productivity, no clastic influx, in high temperature. So since the early Permian was characterized by the cool temperature, by a cool snap, it was a glacial age, but slowly and gradually you have transitioned from the cooler climate to warmer climate in the late Permian, when Zaluch group was deposited. So that's why you have the appearance of these limestone. The clastic supply switched off, the ocean were alkaline, and the temperature it rises. So because of that, you have the deposition of this formation. But formation, there was a competition between clastic input and carbonate deposition. That's why you have a limestone, but it's a mixed limestone, it's a sandy limestone. There was some clastic influx. When the accommodation space is slowly and gradually created, और आपके पास जो है sediment supply जो है आहिस्ता आहिस्ता कम होती है, तो आपके पास sea level rise होता है. तो आपके पास still there were clastic supply from the continent. So that's why you have this limestone, which is sandy in nature. But the sea level rises further, the clastic supply is switched off, and then the huge sequence of the Virgil formation is deposited, and you don't have any sandy limestone in the Virgil, right? So that means the sea level started rising from the meandering Warcha sandstone, and then it enters into the marginal marine setting, then the pure shelf condition, and then the stable shelf condition of the Virgil formation. And then at the top of the Virgil, the sea level start falling again. उसको हम आगे जाके जो है वो डिस्कस करेंगे. See?